Hi, my name's Curtis. I'm a Field Supervisor with Master Services, and you're going to come along with me today on a maintenance visit. So the first order of business would be to check the pump and do the maintenance on the pump. Once I get the pump cleaned up and tested, I would then go to the dehumidifier if that product is in place and do a maintenance on the dehumidifier as well as the pump. That will generally consist of cleaning the filter or changing the filter in the unit, as well as cleaning the discharge line, running diagnostics on the unit to make sure that that is operational and efficient. And then I would clean up the small pump that would generally accompany the dehumidifier to transfer the discharge water from the dehumidifier to the pump or the home's exterior. And then of course I'll be doing a complete inspection around the interior and the exterior of the home. This inspection can determine quite a few things. We look at the foundation of the home, make sure there's nothing out of the ordinary going on with that. We also will be just looking for general concerns that the homeowner would have with a plumbing leak or maybe air duct underneath the home that may have come loose. Just try to treat the home like it's our home, and anything that out of the ordinary, we would want to bring the homeowner up to speed and make sure they were aware of anything they should be concerned with. We've completed our maintenance today. We're putting all of our gear up. We completely took some pumps apart and maintained and cleaned them, making sure everything's working properly for the season. And we recommend this be done once a year to your system. Thanks again, and you guys be safe.